Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add your domain to your Google Search Console using Bluehost. Now, the overall process will be similar if you're using another web hosting provider. So first go to the Google website and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Then search for Google Search Console using the search bar, and it'll be the very first search result. Click on the link to open it, and you'll be brought to this page. Click on Start Now, and click this drop down in the top left corner. And from this drop down, choose Add Property. You'll see this pop up. Enter a domain name here, and then click on Continue. Next, you need to verify your domain. So click this copy button to copy the text record, and then just leave this page open because we need to come back here. Now let's head over to my Bluehost account. In your case, you just need to log into your web hosting account. On this page, click on Domains in the left side panel. Then on this page, make sure your domain name is selected. And essentially, you need to go to the DNS section. In this case, I'll go to the DNS tab. I'll scroll down and then click on Add Record. And then I'll choose Single Record. You'll see this pop up. Use this drop down and then choose TXT, like so. And then use this drop down and choose the Add option, like so. And in this box, enter the text record that we copied earlier from the Google Search Console account. And finally, click the Add button. You'll get a confirmation with a message saying that it could take up to 24 hours for the changes to take effect. It usually happens faster. Then go back to your Google Search Console account and then click on Verify. It'll then start the verification process and you'll get a confirmation. And then click Done. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.